So hi, my name is Alexis. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe below. So I recently graduated a coding boot camp called Tech Elevator, which was a 14-week program for individuals wanting to become a full stack developer. I will give you 10 reasons on why you should attend one too. Alright, so number one, you want to learn how to code, but you're not really sure where to start. So there's a lot of resources online that you can learn from, but you're not really sure which language you should be learning. There's really no set curriculum to follow. And it's an overwhelming experience, and it actually slows down your learning and your productivity. So attending a coding boot camp would give you that structure, it would give you the set curriculum, and you would learn all the different facets of coding and the different parts of full stack developing. So number two, going to a coding boot camp will provide you all the tools that you need. I'm pretty sure most coding boot camps provide you a laptop that comes with the IDE that you'll be using for whatever language you're learning. Also, the different frameworks that will help you as you're writing code and building whatever project you're working on. They provide you all the right tools for that. So number three, you want the skill set because you actually plan to use it and to work with it. So a lot of people are just curious about code and want to understand what it's about, how do you use it, but if you're going to spend the money to go to a coding boot camp, definitely plan on actually working with it, getting a job as a junior developer afterwards, or maybe adding to your existing skill set in whatever job that you're working in. Number four, to expedite the process. You'll learn a lot faster, you'll be following a set curriculum, and it will just help you to learn exactly what you need to know to be successful in the least amount of time. Number five, you're not productive by yourself. So you have a hard time focusing on maybe the curriculum you've set for yourself to learn on your own, and by going to a coding boot camp, you're putting yourself in that environment that will force you to do the homeworks, to do the exercises that they set out for you, and it will overall help you to consistently move toward your goal. Number six, for the one-on-one support and help that you're going to receive. So if you were learning this on your own, you'd have to rely on a lot of forums, and the internet can be a great source to help you, but sometimes a lot of people benefit with one-on-one help and attention, and they get a lot from just someone explaining it to them in person. And then they can also learn faster that way because they're able to ask their question and get instant feedback. So number seven, the credential. A lot of us didn't go to college and we don't have the degree or the diploma to show for a computer science degree. So if you want to learn how to code and you're planning to get a job as a developer afterward, it can be very advantageous for you to have the certificate or the credential. When you go to a coding boot camp, it provides you the certification that you need to show that you've gone through the curriculums and you've learned the fundamentals and the basics of coding and it would back you up when you went to get that developer job. Number eight, for networking. Going to a coding boot camp with people that also want to learn how to code in order to become developers afterward is great for building camaraderie and building your network for afterward. So a lot of people will be going into the tech industry with you, and then as you progress in your career, those are connections that you will have as you navigate and move to different roles. You'll have connections in different places because most likely the people from your cohort will be working as developers in your area and they know you. Number nine, surrounding yourself with a community of like-minded people. So one of the benefits that I found from going to a coding boot camp was that although a lot of us were from different backgrounds, we had the same interest, which was to learn how to code, and we kind of bonded over that commonality. And finally, number 10, which is building a portfolio. So a lot of us going to coding boot camps have no projects under our belts. We didn't even know where to start, let alone have the ability to build anything. So Going to a coding boot camp will allow you to work on different projects and build your portfolio so that you have something to take to employers afterward to show off your abilities and your skill set when you start looking for a job. If any of you have attended a coding boot camp and have other great reasons why someone should attend, please feel free to comment below. Okay, so that wraps up the top 10 reasons to go to a coding boot camp. Thank you so much for watching. Oh no! Today I will be talking about the top 10 reasons why you should attend a to actually learn in a way.
Stupid ice cream truck. Who the freak still has an ice cream truck?
Right, kids don't play outside anymore.
Right, stop.
No kids gonna hear you.
Exactly.
Sweat this hot.
I know.
Okay, anyway.